You know? You look like you don't live in Jamaica. How you call free, man? You look like you're free to all, man.
What them feel like?
Hold on. About 2 weeks ago, we should have did that here. But see, one little unscrupulous, me not call him boy, police boy. You can't look and see the red team, blue team, police, security, soldier come. And your friend stop. Right before for me for a car. And me bunks up in night and you want to lock up me? That is out another slackness. Anytime we see we have advertised a show and we not read something wrong. We meet in an accident, that's why we never reach. Let me tell you something. You see, as long as promoter give me them money, me I come. What you say a while ago, Pusod? Hold on. You know something I never say you? Hey, we have a problem, you know, then find your ID now, Mr. James Copen. Here what? You have to check me down at the station. Because sperms up on the coattail and they want you for DNA testing.
What them feel like?
Hey, me I tell you something, you know. Me is a very brave coward. Me not afraid of nobody. And a little thing I go on and me say the commissioner of police I walk around and look for me too. As a policeman, certain things you do, you have to just talk. Me no want talk. Because big man don't talk certain things. But you see as a policeman, me a tap hide. What you know? How that? Are you? What you know is me see your face, I want to see you good. Hey! Hombre! Or you just squeeze up in a man's station and come and hombre me. You know no manners.
Sarge?
Don't search me, boy.
Oh, really good. Sarge!
Hear me no man?
You see before me even ask you no question. All I ugly people them inside here, so keep silent. All right. You no prove, you no point. Jesus Christ.
Hey. I know how you deal with it. All right, good-looking people over here, so don't scream.
Hold on. But you better looking one them over here, so. Yeah. Sarge!
Whose side of me attack? To the red team, the blue team, the police, security, or the soldier?
Sarge!
Yeah, hear me, man? If you deal with traffic cop, just wrap your head about 4 times and put it in a hand and deal with it.
Sarge, you know what we attack to?
Bad man, police, no business. You see, I like how commissioner want to ask me a question. I mean, no argument with the man.
I knew commissioner of police you attack to, you know.
Hey, me didn't know say you, you know, sir. But me just go and let me serious just to see if you're serious, no, sir.
Sarge!
Sir?
I want to ask you some question here now.
Yes, sir.
You know long I come here and call you up on the phone and you answer it and put it down. Where you did that?
True, you said it was a long distance call, sir. I did put on the phone and I wonder how far I should have stayed from it.
Sarge! You know long me up on the line?
Commissioner, you're a big man, you know, sir. You know if you tell lie. When I look out the door up on the line, I see close. Me never see you.
Sarge! Want to dread where you catch with this spliff?
I eat that dread, sir.
I eat that dread?
Yeah, in my bonnet one spliff and he see me I come and before he keep quiet and put it on my arm. So I couldn't charge him for illegal possession of ganja, I charge him for illegal possession of firearms, sir.
Sarge!
Yes, sir. Me have to just tell you the truth, sir, because like how your interest get me. Me say,
where you get them big words from?
Me buy them at the Coronation Market, sir. Me say, Commissioner, me know you hear about the little thing.
Me, yeah, say you have to stop do certain thing. What that?
Me have to talk the truth. Me say, me go home with you. And me say, you saw me come out of the Jeep and go in my house. And my wife, me still lay down on the bed. And you saw me look upon her, sir.
Yeah.
Me feel a certain way. Yeah. And me just go around at the back for me things. And just walk, come back round.
Yeah.
And just load it up.
Yeah.
And just suck out that. Commissioner,
What?
you swear me suck it out the first time? She lay down on the bed and look.
Yeah.
And me get a hype, because come like she frightened. And me just go so. And suck out that again. And you see, third time when I'm ready to suck it out, me couldn't find no ganja to load the chalice.
Oh. A chalice you attack?
Yes, so what you did think?
Oh, so you say, suck it out. Me think say that thing there.
Hey! No man doing this, my man would have never bow.
Come, me think of that you talk about, you know.
Mr. would have never bow.
Why?
Big man now bow.
Why?
Mr. me just now bow.
Me say why?
Me no like how it tastes.
Do you?
Them say, see this sound.
Shackle, you know world talk. I'm on a world talk.
Hey! Nobody go on like me taste it, you know. Bragadan, my brethren, Bragadan. He say it's a bit salty, but that's what brings off the flavor.
Sarge.
Hey!
Sarge.
Yes, sir.
One to you. How can you charge a man with parking car on the street side for overtaking?
Simple, sir. If a car park on the street side, and a lady come out and stretch something over the top and the driver take it from her, that's overtaking, sir.
Sarge.
Sir?
One to you and you know what is car then?
Foolishness, them.
Oh, you can't call government car foolishness.
Foolishness, me just see one of them says automatic running at the back of somebody else's car. Foolishness, them. Them say a radio car, right? And them do have not even an AM FM radio in there. You see when you put it in a D for day, sir?
Yeah.
That drive all right. You see when you put it in a hen for night, sir, one place it turn up. The other day, two boys shot past me out of Trapperton.
Yeah.
And I say, oh, I race in the one. And I say, I go so boom and lick it in the house, sir. And tap on the gas pedal, and go back way.
So you not pull him over?
They put it in a beef, you pull him over and it turn up one place.
So one to hell?
Hell a low gear, sir, and land him in, you just stay up on the ground.
Ah, so 1 to 2.
No, yeah, your friend them play that. Me not play number 2.
I'm on a world talk.